Hi, I'm Luca from Echidna Sewing, and today we'll be looking at the Brother J foot, also known as the spring action zigzag foot or the standard foot for sewing. This is the perfect foot for straight, zigzag and general sewing and will quickly become one of your most used feet. This foot is also available for most Brother machines. To attach this foot, make sure your presser foot is up, then line up the center bar on the foot located under the printed J with the edge of the shank. Once aligned, release the presser foot down. If lined up correctly, the foot will click on and become attached. And now you're ready to sew. The J foot also features a leveling button, which locks the foot in place. This is located on the side of the foot. The leveling button can be used when sewing over a seam or a thick section of fabric. To use the leveling button, sew normally until you get to the very edge of the seam, when the front of the foot starts to rise. Stop sewing and remember to leave your needle in the downward position so you don't lose your place. Lift your presser foot up and hold the foot flat. Push the black button in, locking the foot in place. Then release your presser foot down again. Resume sewing slowly over the seam. Once over the seam, the foot will go back down and automatically release the black button, which allows you to continue normally sewing. And that's how you use your J foot.